Hello everyone, welcome back to Natural Beauty Secrets. Today I'm going to show you how to make teeth whitening paste at home. We are making this paste using ingredients available at our home kitchen. Before going to the video, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel Natural Beauty Secrets and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Salt is a widely used ingredient to whiten teeth. It helps both whiten your teeth naturally and look after your gums, as it is a natural antibacterial. Also help disinfect the mouth and reduce inflammation in the gums. Additionally, salt can stimulate the production of saliva, which promotes strong enamel. Baking soda is good for teeth whitening because it is a very mild abrasive which helps remove stain from the surface of your teeth. In addition, baking soda is alkaline and salty, which helps lighten acid-based food stains. First, take a clean bowl. Take any toothpaste available in your home. You can use the toothpaste that you are using daily. Add about 1 teaspoon of toothpaste. Next, add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add half teaspoon of baking soda to it. Next, add 1 teaspoon of salt too. Finally, add some lime or lemon juice. Add enough lime or lemon juice to make a smooth paste. Lime and lemon contain high amount of citric acid, which is an effective bleaching agent. Mix it until it's become a smooth paste. Your paste should be like this. Make a smooth paste by mixing it well. Take a toothbrush. Add some teeth whitening paste to the toothbrush. Brush your teeth for about 4 to 5 minutes. Please remember not to swallow the paste. Use this treatment only twice a week. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you very much for watching.